Looking to increase the height of your shift knob by about 3 inches? This is the Torque Solution 3-inch shifter extender. What's up guys, Rick with Raleigh Sport Direct here. In front of me I have the Torque Solution 3-inch 12x1.25 shift knob extension. Now I've got the bag right here, I've already opened it up, haha. And this is my personal shift knob extension because I have an aftermarket short throw shifter on my 5-speed Subaru, and I wanted the shift knob to sit a little bit higher, and that's exactly what this piece does. Now it's very high quality. Of course you have a threaded insert on this side, a threaded post on this side, which means this side goes on the shift lever, this side you put your knob on. Pretty simple, right? Now, I would highly recommend using this on the 5-speed transmission, mainly because you don't have a reverse lockout. Now, you can use it on the 6-speed transmission as long as you don't mind looking like this. The idea behind it is it's gonna make your shift knob sit a little bit higher, which in my opinion is perfect. I like a nice, high shift knob, I guess if you want to call it that. The short throw shifters are great in that they reduce the throw between shifts, but I don't like how low the shift knob sits. So something like this is perfect because it gives me those nice, smooth, buttery shifts that I was hoping for, and that's exactly what I got. It's a perfect little product, very simple, very cool, super easy to install, and gives you a nice new feeling in your car. It makes me feel like I'm like Colin McRae driving down the road or something like that with that nice long sequential shift lever, even though I've got an H pattern, but that doesn't matter. What it makes the car feel like is what it's all about, and I'm all about anything you can touch, feel, anything like that, and modifying it to your specific preferences. I understand this is not for everybody, but if you're wanting a little bit higher of a shift knob, this is a perfect piece. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. We'll see you guys next time.